Today we talk about Sony Xperia 10 6. Its launched on May 2024. The dimensions of Sony Xperia: height 6.06 inches, width 2.68 inches, thickness 8 mm, and the weight is 172 grams. The build is front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of this device, it comes with OLED 1 billion color screen type and the screen size is 6.1 inch. The body ratio is 86.9% and the resolution is 1080 by 2520 pixels. And it's come with 120Hz refresh rate with 1800 nits peak of brightness and it's protected with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The platform of this mobile it comes with Android 14 operating system and the chipset is Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 4nm and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A78 and the GPU Adreno 710. Let's talk about the memory of this device. It comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 to 56 gigs of ROM and it supports micro SD card. The camera of this mobile it comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor 48 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel ultra wide and it's record 4K 120 fps video with main camera and the selfie camera is 12 megapixel. The battery backup of this mobile it comes with 5000 mAh battery, charging 30 watt wired and the wireless charging 10 watt and it supports 5 watt reverse wireless charging. And the feature of this mobile it has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speakers and USB Type-C, fingerprint under display and 3.5 mm headphone jack, UFS 3.1 and IP68 dust water resistant rating. The Sony Xperia 10 6 price is $400.